10 don'ts you should avoid for a successful Snapchat marketing venture. Don't display the Ghost logo larger than your own markings or brandings. Snapchat terms and conditions state that you can only edit the Ghost logo if it is for your brand or branding. This means that they allow you to place your own logo inside the Ghost of Snapchat, which may not be modified in any way. You can design your own original logo or app icon that represents your brand. Don't post long stories. Be as clear and direct as possible. Remember, on Snapchat, everything disappears in seconds, and you can only see the content once. For this reason, you need to use phrases and memorable images, so those who see your snaps or stories will remember who you are, and they won't get bored with your content. Don't overdo it with colors or letters. Be professional and as clean as possible. Be fresh. Don't send too many snaps in one day. Your main goal with Snapchat should be to connect with your customers, learn from them, see how they react to your posts, and make them take action with creative campaigns. You can invite them through pictures or stories to know your brand, but do not overdo it. If you overdo it, you'll get the opposite of what you want. Don't lie. Don't lie to your followers. Don't make proposals that you won't accomplish. This will cause you to be unfollowed, and they'll tell acquaintances that you're a scam. If you are going to offer something, you must keep your word if you want your followers to trust you. Don't be offensive. It's very ugly to be offensive for any reason. If you dislike something, don't post it on Snapchat. It's not correct to degrade anything that displeases you, and it makes you look like a bad person to your followers. You want your followers to trust you. Don't be boring. The thing on Snapchat is to be fun and make your followers enjoy the time that they see your posts. So don't be boring. Remember, on Snapchat, everything disappears after 24 hours, so don't worry about maintaining the same standards as in other social networks or your website. Make your fans enjoy your content. Don't make your followers violate Snapchat's policies. Don't incite your followers to do things that are not allowed by the privacy policies and terms of conditions of Snapchat. If you want to keep using Snapchat, you must comply with those rules. Don't post a snap to people and then use the same snap in your story. A snap story is a Snapchat that anyone can see. If your post has a snap story, you've established that it wasn't intended to go to one single person. Post it in one place and let people come to you. Don't force them. Don't miss the opportunity to engage. Invite your followers to interact with you. A good idea might be to ask questions or invite them to make a snap art related to your campaign, and the winner gets a prize. This will give you the opportunity to be known, so make them participate. Don't switch back and forth from vertical to horizontal. Use one at a time. Don't use both in a single snap story. Make it more easy for your followers. It will be very annoying to miss a second of an interesting story just because you need to change angle. Your followers would lose a second of your video, and you don't want that.